Now it's
Hi, my name is Janet Hinsey. I live in Berkeley, California. I've had problems with my knees for the last couple of years. Both of them basically at the same time started giving me difficulty with walking and especially climbing stairs and getting in and out of chairs. It kept increasing. I saw several doctors, all of whom could not give me a definitive answer on what was going on. Obviously there was some arthritis, not a lot of arthritis, not enough to have surgery. I got a lot of relief from cortisone shots, but I was getting them too often and too close together for anybody to be really comfortable with it, but they still did not want to do surgery. And I did a lot of physical therapy, which would help as long as the cortisone was working, but when it wasn't, then I couldn't do the physical therapy, and I was very frustrated. I read about the clinic in the San Francisco Chronicle. I have to say that usually I'm a little skeptical about medical things in the newspaper. However, it was very intriguing. It was specifically geared, this ad, to knees, and I thought, I don't know what else to do. So, my husband and I drove down here and got interested in the clinic. We're somewhat hesitant about the whole thing, but felt that at least we had been looked at much better than we had by medical doctors, that at least there was somebody here who was saying, okay, we think it's this, this, and this, and if we do this, this, and this, it could get better. So, we've decided to try, and skeptic or not, after the first treatment, my knees were better. I was at the point that I needed a cortisone shot again, and I held off. I actually went on a trip, which I've been very hesitant to do without new cortisone shots after only 3 treatments, and did pretty well. Since then, I've continued to make progress, and I'm very pleased. It's not 100% yet, but it's as good as I get most of the time with the cortisone shots, and I certainly am nowhere near ready to have surgery, so I'm very happy.
That's pretty good, Janet. And what have other people noticed about you, or just your changes?
What they've noticed is I can walk like a normal person now, and I can pick things up off the floor. I can actually bend my knees, which before was really difficult for me. I was often, if I went for any real lengthy walks, I was using hiking sticks, and now I can do a half-hour walk, 45 minutes without hiking sticks.
That's pretty good. It's impressive.